Look at that. If I had have known eating vegan was so delicious, I would have done it years ago. I'm Schuey, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to cook some vegan lamb backstrap. That's correct. I've been assured this came from a lamb that led a vegan lifestyle. So just sit back, grab a drink or two and watch the hate roll in. That's right, this lamb has never tasted sweet, delicious meat. It may have wanted to, but it has stuck to its vegan choices for this recipe. Now, as always, I grabbed these lamb backstraps from Gippsland Premium Meats. Don't trust these fluffy little animals in the wild. If you don't eat them first, they won't hesitate. They'll eat you. It's time to season the lamb. We just want to combine some avocado and lemon juice and then just massage it all over the backstrap. Now we just need to combine the rub ingredients into a semi-medium sized bowl and then just mix that up really good. And then just cover the lamb with it. Don't forget the sides. And then just pop this aside while we get the barbecue ready. So the full list of ingredients is on this piece of paper. Oh, it's also down there in the description. Today, I'm going to be using a 57cm Weber kettle and I'm going to be pairing it up with a charcoal basket and a cast iron pan. Why? Because I want to set up dual zone cooking. That's a hot zone and a cooler zone. How I'll do that is by half filling a chimney starter with briquettes. I'll light them up and once they're fully ashed over, I'll put my charcoal basket on one side of the charcoal grate and dump the lit fuel into it. Then I'll put the grill in place. Then I'll put the cast iron pan over the hot charcoal and give that about 5 minutes to warm up. Now you can use a flat hot plate if you have one. My cast iron pan was handy, so that's why I used it. The pan is nice and hot, so it's time to get a little spray with some oil. So we just want to put the lamb backstrap into the pan. So we just want to sear the outside, turning it to make sure each side has some colour on it. And once you're happy with the colour, just move the backstrap to the cooler part of the barbecue away from the lit fuel and remove the pan. And pop the lid on, opening the vent, keeping that vent over our food. Now I'm going to keep an internal check of this with an instant read thermometer because I don't want the internal temp going over 50 degrees Celsius. 51 to 54 degrees Celsius is the perfect medium rare, and by taking it off at 50 degrees Celsius, it's still going to rise a few degrees while resting, and it will be perfect. Today I'm cooking with a dual zone cooking setup. Firstly with a direct hot sear and then slowly bringing the internal temp up with the cooler zone set up to about 135 degrees Celsius. Now all up, this backstrap will take around 20 minutes to be perfectly cooked. Or for those of you who like to use my beer timer, you're looking at a 1 beer cook. This would be a great time to subscribe to my channel, and while you're there, hit that bell button. That bell button will notify you every time I drink more beer. That's it, the vegan lamb backstrap has hit 50 degrees Celsius. So we'll just take it off the heat. We're gonna let that rest for about 10 minutes. 10 minutes isn't hard to fill while you're waiting. How good does that look? Come on, this is seriously that good? This should be illegal. As always, cheers for watching.